Welcome to Dunstable Downs. So I'm sure you'll agree that Dunstable Downs was a nice way to end Series 1 of Out in Nature, which covered central Bedfordshire and Bedfordshire. Next, we're going to head over to either Buckinghamshire or Hertfordshire and catch some of the most beautiful scenery out in nature. So join me for Series 2 and you'll get plenty of heads up before I start airing videos for Series 2. Thanks for joining Series 1. I had a great time, hope you had a great time. And let's do it again. Until then, take care and enjoy your walks out in nature.